Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to trim a video on Snapchat. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Snapchat, open our camera clicking on the button in the middle side of the screen, and now we can record the video. So simply hold on for the button and record a simple video that you like. So something like that. And here, if we want to trim this video, we need to simply click on little icon of this little icon of this video in the bottom left corner. As you can see, it is right here. And as we click on it, here in the bottom side of the screen, we have our video. We can pause it if we want, and we can drag it by the beginning or by the end of the video like this. And that is basically how we can trim it. So if I want to make this video shorter from the end or shorter from the start, I can just trim it like that, drag from the beginning and from the end like that. And when I'm ready, I need to click on the tick button in the bottom right corner. And as you can see, now my video is very short, and that is basically how I can trim it. And now I can send it to my contacts, as a snap, etc. And basically that is it. That is how you can trim a video on a Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.